Hello, welcome everyone. This is your host Faisal from m4l.com studios. Today I am unboxing the IC dock of FlexCage. The part number is MB975SP-B R1. And this FlexCage allows up to 5 3.5-inch SATA 3 hard drives while only consuming 3 of the external 5.25-inch bays in a typical machine. Let me unbox it and we'll see what we have here. Very nicely packed. Let's open up further. Let's see what we have here. As I mentioned, the FlexCage will allow up to 5 3.5-inch SATA 3 hard drives and only consume 3 of the external 5.25-inch bays. It has a smart locking technology and the tray-less feature is very convenient as no screws are needed or tools are needed to insert or eject drives, making hot swap a complete hassle-free experience. Also note that each drive has their own power buttons for full control of the drive. Fan, which can be replaced if they go bad, and it also has 3 fan speeds that one can set. This can be used for applications where you need a large density of storage. It will fit any gaming media server computer cases and be a perfect solution for file server applications such as Windows Home Server and unRAID. And hope you liked our quick learning product videos. If you like him, please do hit the like button and subscribe. We like your support. Thank you very much.